Hey YouTube, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do our first addition to the Challenger, which is going to be a camera system. I bought it off of Amazon. Comes from blackboxmycar.com. Pretty decent system. Here's the box. It's a fully functional, full HD system, front and rear. It has Wi-Fi, Android or iOS apps. It does motion sensing, has high heat resistance for those hot climates, because it's going to be sitting in your windshield. So today we're going to unbox it and install it. So here we go. So I'm just going to do this on my floor. Here's our main camera, GPS unit. Here's the rear camera. Look how tiny that is. Comes with SD card, 32 gig it looks like. And all of our stuff to mount it. Stickies, power adapter, another power adapter, and rear camera cable. Alright. First things first, I'm gonna see if I can't get this thing mounted in the windshield here using these stickies. All right, I got the two cameras mounted. The front one I've got up kind of behind the mirror, facing outward. Back one, and right in the center below the third brake light there. Now I'm going to run the wiring and see if it all works. So I lost my audio here, but I wanted to show my tools. I got these composite trim removal tools and a 7mm socket with a ratchet. That's really all you need. Everything went pretty smooth, but wouldn't you know it, one screw fell behind the trim piece and went down into the wiring harness under the carpet. So I had to remove the trim and get the screw out. of course, the socket falls down into the same area. So I had to take the trim off to do that again. Well, I got it all installed. It was a little more of a challenge than I thought it was going to be because I couldn't hardwire the power in because I don't know the car well enough to find a good place to tap in. And the original spot that I was going to wire it to, the cord they sent me was not long enough. So I'm sure I'll address that in the future. For now, it's just going into a 12 volt outlet in the console here. And that'll work for now. So first off, we'll take a look at what it looks like from here. So from the driver's view, you don't see it at all. Maybe a couple of wires up there. From the passenger view, you're going to see the box, but it's not terrible. The little one in the back, you see the wire a little bit, but it doesn't get in the way at all. As you can see, I ran it up under the headliner here, and then down the column and down behind the door like I showed you earlier. The back camera went up along here and through the back, and then all the extra cord was stuffed up in the headliner there. So I wanted to take a minute to discuss the app. It's available on Android or iOS. I've got it on my iPhone. It's a little odd to use because you have to push the Wi-Fi button on the black box and then connect to Wi-Fi through your phone to the Blacksys Wi-Fi. So once you connect, you're greeted with a screen like this, and you can go to internal storage. You can look at your Wi-Fi or internal storage. Here's my stuff that's on my card through Wi-Fi. It's separated front, rear. You can do your motion sensors, activations, and all that. Also, you can look at real time by pushing this little icon up there. So that's real time front. And then real time rear. So it's actually a nice little app. As far as I can tell, it's not really designed to be able to, if you hear some noise out in the garage, to click on your camera and look, because you have to push the Wi-Fi button on the box. I'll keep looking into it, but I think that's how it's going to work. So anyway, that's the app. It's pretty basic, pretty easy to deal with. So overall, I like it. So now that it's all installed, let's go for a drive. Seems to be an alright day today. It's only 46 degrees. You can see the snow on the mountains, but really not a lot down here. We did have some hail and snow and rain yesterday. This is the audio from the dash cam, by the way. I'm not going to overlay it. Well, that's all for my video today. I hope you enjoyed this. There are probably a lot more thorough installation videos, but I wanted to share my first addition to my car with you guys. But hey, thanks for watching. Have a good day.